globe is to be a beauty that inspires. What makes us beautiful is our smiles. It's what we do for our community. It's how we give back to others, and it's how we carry ourselves through lives. I believe that everyone has beauty inside of them, and I believe it is our duty to share it with the world and to give back and to truly inspire others.
As an ambassador, I don't think that speaking a specific language is very important here in Miss Intercontinental or any pageant at all, as long as that woman is a woman of power and grace, commitment and intelligence, no matter what language she speaks, and that woman is actually a woman of style and substance, then she can win any pageant or any endeavor that she is into. Also, it's very important, I have learned here actually in Miss Intercontinental, that a woman should be or should possess power of substance, and I believe I am that woman, because that is the essence of a modern day Miss Intercontinental, that we are living in a world wherein it's very hard to survive. And as Miss Intercontinental, I would like to be that source of hope, that source of inspiration on the true power of beauty, and that is felt on the kindness of our hearts and definitely on the sincerity of our loving actions. Shukran, Charmelchi.
I were to meet with the leader of my country, coming from a third world country and seeing how he handled the COVID pandemic, how wonderfully he communicated with our nation. We have 11 ethnic groups, so communication is not always easy. How he handled everything, I would love to get some advice from him for my journey forward. Thank you.
If I have a chance to cheer the one I speak to, I would like to say thank you to the one who invented AstraZeneca, and she doesn't need the money from the invention license. And I will spread the thanks to her and to older people to know that I feel so grateful because of her. Sometimes you need to do the good things, but doesn't need to give a credit for it. Thank you.
I'm so thankful to live in a digital age right now. Because of technology, we are able to spread awareness of things that are happening, not only in my country, but in other countries as well. However, technology can also be used to save our environment, because by incorporating innovation in technology as well as sustainability, we can use those two things to come together. I'm so thankful to be a woman now in 2021 and being able to have access to these things, such as solar energy and renewable energy. When mixing them together, there's nothing that we cannot do. So I am thankful to be in the digital age of technology, and it will be used to save the planet. Thank you.
I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself, because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself, and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.